Leading Safe certification has become a badge of honor for companies that want to be seen as leaders in their fields, according to Scaled Agile. Around $13,000 is the average salary has been increased for IT professionals who obtained a new certification. 71% of the organizations are just newly adopted Agile, which makes it a big opportunity for SFA certified professionals. 78% of SFA certified professionals have stated greater demand for their skills since becoming certified. The certifications are coveted by both businesses and managers alike, who see them as a way to set themselves apart from their competitors and make sure they're at the top of their game. The Leading Safe designation helps us to understand the challenges that our clients face and how we can help them overcome those challenges. Here we will be discussing some of the interview questions and answer for Leading Safe. If you like the video, we request you to like and subscribe to the Agilemania YouTube channel to encourage us to provide more valuable information on Agile and Scrum. So, without further ado, let's get started with today's session. Question 1. What is the difference between a capability and a feature? A feature is a service rendered by the system that caters to stakeholder needs. A feature has two parts, that is benefit hypothesis and acceptance criteria. It is marked necessary and prepared to be delivered by a single Agile release train in a program increment. The program backlog holds the features. A capability is a larger level solution behavior that is normally implemented by more than one Agile release train in a single PI. Capabilities are divided into numerous features so that they can be implemented by multiple Agile release trains in one PI. Capabilities are part of the solution backlog. Question 2. When should one apply the Scaled Agile Framework? SAFe can be applied in the following contexts. The organization is keen on implementing Agile to effect transformation across bigger, multi-team programs and portfolios. Numerous teams are practicing one or the other Agile framework, however, are facing delays, obstacles, and failures. Teams desire to function independently in a decentralized decision-making place. There is an urgent need to scale Agile across the organization, but not clear about adding new roles or changing existing roles. An organization needs to improve product development lead time and wants to know how companies in the same industry have scaled Agile with SAFe. Question 3. How can you define a system team? The system team is a specialized Agile team responsible for managing and supporting the development environment. The system team usually develops and maintains the tools that support the continuous delivery pipeline. The system team may also help the Agile teams integrate their work by performing end-to-end testing, helping them deploy the code and release it on demand. Question 4. What is a value stream in SAFe? A value stream is the set of actions that add value to a customer from the initial request through the realization of value by the customer. The value stream begins with the initial concept, moves through various stages of development, and on through delivery and support. Question 5. How is the solution train unique from the Agile release train? The solution train is the organizational model used to build large and complex solutions that require the coordination of multiple Agile release trains. This helps align Agile release trains with each other through its shared mission, vision, backlog, and roadmap, as well as a program increment. While Agile release train is an Agile team formed out of several Agile teams, 50 to 125 members, that have the expertise needed to implement, test, deploy, and release to deliver software or other products. Question 6. What are the roles and responsibilities of a release train engineer? Release train engineer is a coach and servant leader for the Agile release train. Agile release train is a self-organizing, cross-functional team of Agile teams. It is a virtual organization that commits, plans, and executes together. Agile release train is the primary value delivery construct in Scaled Agile Framework. The core responsibilities of release train engineer include facilitating the Agile release train's processes and events, assisting the teams in delivering value, etc. Also, they communicate with the stakeholders, help in managing risks, drive persistent improvement, and escalate impediments. Question 7. When does an organization reach the tipping point? Tipping point in SAFe refers to the point in which the final organization objective is to embrace the change instead of opposing it. An organization reaches the tipping point when it can no longer compete in the dynamic environment. They no longer have the privilege to be resistant but have to embrace change. Question 8. What are the 5 dimensions of built-in quality? Built-in quality is the practice of ensuring that quality is ensured at each level of development. It is a lean agile principle that advocates maintaining quality is everyone's responsibility, and this helps in avoiding the costs of a recall, rework, and defect fixing as it passes through every value stream. The 5 dimensions of built-in quality are flow, architecture and design quality, code quality, system quality, and release quality. Question 9. How can DevOps help in scalability? DevOps is a combination of a cultural change of development and operations working together and technical practices. DevOps help in the automation and assimilation of software development and IT services. It is part of the Agile product delivery competency of the Lean enterprise. Safe enterprises implement DevOps to break down organizational silos and develop a continuous delivery pipeline, a high-performance innovation engine capable of delivering market-leading solutions at the speed of business. DevOps helps in scalability in the following ways. Small teams building a small team helps in delivering value to the customer. Enables team members to become entrepreneurs. Encourage skill development. DevOps creates a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Culture is a priority. DevOps promotes the development of a culture of positivity between operations and team members. More than delivering a product, DevOps is about building a close-knit relationship between product and sales teams. Implement feedback. DevOps helps in sustainability by receiving faster feedback. Automation helps in scalability, creating a test-driven development that makes everyone accountable for quality. Automated testing is mandatory, without which continuous delivery is a distant dream. Question 10. What is the innovation and planning iteration in SAFe? The innovation and planning iteration is the last in the program increment and serves multiple purposes. For example, it acts as an estimating buffer for meeting the program objectives, providing dedicated time for innovation, continuing education, planning, and inspect and adapt events. In SAFe, the teams thrive to provide customer value continuously. With this constant urgency for delivery, there is a risk that the tyranny of urgency will override any opportunity to innovate. IP iteration provides this opportunity to innovate and plan together. Through IP iteration, we have dedicated time for PI events. It also provides an opportunity for continuous learning. Question 11. What is the final element of the continuous delivery pipeline? Release on demand is the final element of the continuous delivery pipeline. Release on demand is the process of deploying new functionality into production and releasing it immediately to customers. Through release on demand, the release is decoupled from deployment and makes value available to the end user when they need it or when it makes the most economic sense for the enterprise. Question 12. What does architectural runway mean in SAFe? Architectural runway is the current technical infrastructure, code, and components needed to implement the forthcoming features without much redesign or delay. This enables a continuous flow of value by providing the necessary technical framework to build features or capabilities. New features or capabilities consume the architectural runway. Question 13. What is the need for solution demo? The solution demo combines the development efforts of all Agile release trains and suppliers on the solution train every PI and ensures visibility to customers and stakeholders for review and feedback. Question 14. What are the different basic entities in large solution SAFe? The different basic entities in SAFe 5.1 Large Solution SAFe. Capability. Capability is a larger level solution that normally covers numerous Agile release trains. Capabilities are divided into numerous features to ease their implementation in one PI. Defect, a product backlog item that doesn't meet the acceptance criteria, is called a defect. Bugs, errors, or flaws in the solution. Learning milestone. Learning milestones denote particular progress points on the timeline, making them highly useful in measuring and tracking the progress and risk. PI objectives. Program increment objectives is a synopsis of the business and technical goals that an Agile team or Agile release trains plans to achieve in the forthcoming PI. Risk. Risk is the anticipated adverse event that is detrimental to the progress of a project. Risks in a project can either be opportunities or opportunities. Retrospective. A retrospective is a common event that regularly happens where team members discuss the outcome of the iteration, reflect on the practices, and come up with ways to improve. Solution epics are initiatives that qualify big to deserve analysis and a lean business case but are limited to a single solution value stream. Question 15. How is Essential SAFe different from Portfolio SAFe? Essential Safe is a small set of roles, events, and artifacts needed to seamlessly provide business solutions through an Agile release train as multiple Agile teams. This configuration of SAFe focuses on execution. Portfolio Safe syncs strategy with implementation and groups solution development around the flow of value through one or multiple value streams. The portfolio configuration of SAFe includes Essential Safe for execution while having the lean portfolio management competency for aligning strategy and execution by applying lean and systems thinking approach. So, that's it guys, we're going to end this session here. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss an update.